Ever found yourself lost in the midnight depths of a Minecraft cave, fumbling for torches? Today, we're brewing the ultimate solution, a night vision potion. First things first, you'll need a brewing stand. You can craft this using 3 cobblestone and 1 blaze rod. Place it down wherever you're brewing. Next, grab some glass bottles. You'll need 3 for this recipe. Fill these bottles with water. Right-click on any water source, like a pond or a river, with the empty bottles in your hand. Now, for fuel, you'll need blaze powder. Right-click your brewing stand with blaze powder, and you should see the brewing process start with a fiery animation. Our first crucial ingredient is Nether Wart. This magical fungus grows in the Nether, typically found on soul sand and Nether fortresses. Place the Nether Wart in the top ingredient slot above the water bottles. Watch as your water bottles transform into awkward potions. This is the base for most potions, and it's a critical step. Now, for the star of our show, the golden carrot. Craft this by surrounding a regular carrot with 8 gold nuggets. Place the golden carrot in the top ingredient slot, right above the awkward potions. And there you have it. Your awkward potions are now turning into potent night vision potions. This grants you the ability to see perfectly in complete darkness. To use it, simply right-click the brewing stand with the night vision potions in your inventory. Drink it, and watch the world transform. No more scrambling for torches. Explore those spooky mineshafts and dark ravines with confidence.